Good morning. Today we are going to start a new lesson and it's about vitamins and minerals. And as we mentioned before, there are five types of food: fats, dairy products, protein, fruits and vegetables, and carbohydrates. And we have to eat all types of food in correct amount to keep our body healthy. And also we cannot eat unhealthy food because they will damage our body organs.
Fatty food. Too much sugar is bad for you. Too much sugar is bad for you. Cake, soda, and lollipops too. Cake, soda, and lollipops too. Milk and dairy are good for you. Milk and dairy. I like cheese and yogurt too. I like cheese and yogurt too. Meat and fish are good for you. Start eating healthy food. Bread and cereal are good for you. Start eating healthy food. Fatty food is bad for you. Fatty food is bad for you. Pizza, donuts, and hamburgers too. Pizza, donuts, and hamburgers too. Fruit and vegetables are good for you. Fruits and vegetables are good for you. Cabbages, broccoli, and apples too. Cabbages, broccoli, and apples too. Cereals are good for you. Bread and cereal is good for you. Milk and dairy are good for you. Milk and dairy are good for you. Fruit and vegetables are good for you.
And now let's talk about vitamins. Vitamins, they are a group of substances that are found in many food and they are necessary in small amount to grow healthy. Okay? So vitamins, we need them in a small amount to keep our body healthy. And we can find them in many type of food. And also there are many types or many kinds of vitamins like vitamin A, B, C, D, E, and K.
Vitamin A helps me see at night and day. Vitamin B keeps me full of energy. Vitamin C keeps my gums scurvy free. Vitamin D is for strong bones and teeth. Vitamin E keeps my cells damage free. Vitamin K so my cut won't bleed all day.
So again, vitamins, they are important nutrients that the body needs in small amounts for normal growth and nutrition. And there are many kinds or types of vitamins like vitamin A, B, C, D, E, and K. And they are found in many types of food. And now let's start with the first one, vitamin A. Vitamin A is found in carrots, orange, and eggs. And we need to eat them because it keeps our eyes, skin, teeth, and bones healthy.
Vitamin A helps me see at night and day.
Okay, so we have to eat food that contains vitamin A because it keeps our eyes, skin, teeth, and bones healthy. Number two is vitamin B. Okay, number two is vitamin B. Vitamin B is found in meat, nuts, fish, milk, and yogurt. And also we have to eat vitamin food that contains vitamin B because it keeps our nervous system, skin, muscles, and blood healthy. Okay, so vitamin B keeps our nervous system, skin, muscles, and blood healthy. Nervous system is another system in our body. When we eat food that contains vitamin B, it keep it healthy and working well. Okay, and also it keep our skin, muscles, and blood healthy. Nuts, milk, and fish. Also, you have to know just one example of vitamin B. For example, meat contains vitamin B. Okay, just one example of these, all of these food that contains vitamin B. And we have to eat food that contains vitamin B because it keeps our blood, muscles, teeth, and nervous system working well. Also, there are many types of vitamin B like B1, B2, B3, B7, B6, and B12. All of these are kinds of vitamin B.
Vitamin B keeps me full of energy.
Vitamin C. Vitamin C is found in orange, lemon, guava, and kiwi. So all of these contain vitamin C, and also you have to know just one. Like orange contains vitamin C. Why we have to eat food that contain vitamin C? Because it supports your immune system. Okay, so now your immune system can work well and fight any disease, virus or bacteria, and keep your body healthy without any disease or without any bacteria or germs comes from outside.
Vitamin C keeps my gums scurvy free.
Vitamin D is found in liver, fish, and milk. And we have to eat food that contains vitamin D because it's important for your strong bones and also strong teeth. Okay, so when we eat food that contains vitamin D, it keeps our bones strong and also our teeth strong. So vitamin D, it's found in liver, fish, and milk, and also you have to know just one of them. Like milk contains vitamin D, and also we have to drink milk because it keeps our bones and teeth strong and healthy.
Vitamin D is for strong bones and teeth.
And now with vitamin K. Vitamin K is found in pear, cucumber, broccoli, and cabbage, and also it's important for your bones and blood. Okay, so now you have to know just one of them. Broccoli is broccoli contains vitamin K, which is important for your bones and blood.
Vitamin K so my cut won't bleed all day.
And now with the last one, vitamin E, and it's found in wheat, broccoli, vegetable oil, and spinach. And it's important for your heart and your blood. Okay? Okay, so again, spinach, vegetable oil, broccoli, and wheat, all of these are contain vitamin E, and it's important for your heart and blood. So vitamins, there are many types or many kinds, like vitamin A, B, C, D, E, and K, and we have to eat them in a small amount to keep our body healthy and to grow well and grow healthy. And now let's talk about minerals. What are minerals? They are important substances that body needs for good health and by forming strong bones and teeth. Okay, so minerals also they are substances found in many foods or many healthy food that we have to eat them to keep our body healthy and also to keep our bones and teeth strong. Also, there are many types of minerals like calcium, iron, potassium, and zinc and sodium. And they are found in different kinds of food. And now let's start with the first one is iron. Iron is found in eggs, wheat, broccoli, and meat. And we have to eat food that contains iron because it transports oxygen from your lungs to the rest of body or to all body parts. Iron is good for your blood cells, and when you eat food that contains many irons, so we have blood cells can work well, and also there increase the number of blood cells. And when the blood cells can grow well or work well, so it can carry oxygen from lungs to all body parts. Again, iron is good for your blood cells, and blood cells have a job to transport the oxygen from lungs to all body parts. Okay, so iron has a job it's important because it transports the oxygen from the lungs to the rest of body or to all body parts. Number two, potassium. Potassium is found in banana, tomato, potato, and orange. So all of these food contains potassium, and also there are many other food contains also potassium. Why we have to eat food contains potassium? Because it keeps our muscles, nervous system working properly. Okay, so we have to eat food that contains potassium because it keeps our nervous system and muscles working well or working properly. Calcium. Calcium is found in milk, cheese, yogurt, and broccoli. And also fish and other food also contains calcium. Why we have to eat food that contains calcium? Because it helps the body to build strong bones. So when we eat food that contains calcium, our bones will be strong. And when we eat food that doesn't contain calcium, our bones it will be weak and we cannot grow well. Okay, so we have to eat food that contains calcium because it make our bones strong and working well. And now with the last one, zinc. Zinc is found in chicken, nuts, and beans, and we have to eat all of these food because it helps our immune system work well. Okay. Also, food that contains zinc, it can fight disease or germs or bacteria or any viruses from outside. Okay. So, nuts, beans, and chicken can fight disease or virus from outside and keep our body healthy and keep our body grow well. And then we have vitamin A, C, K, and D. And also we have milk, cabbage, lemon, broccoli, orange, and carrots. Okay, so you have to tell me, milk contains what? Which vitamin? Vitamin D, which keep our teeth and bones strong. Cabbage contains vitamin K. Lemon contains vitamin C. Broccoli contains also vitamin K, like cabbage. And orange contains vitamin C, also like lemon. And carrots contains vitamin A, which keep our eyes and skin healthy. Okay, so you have to know just one example of any vitamins. Okay, so you have to know just one example of food in each vitamin.
Vitamin A helps me see at night and day. Vitamin B keeps me full of energy. Vitamin C keeps my gums scurvy-free. Vitamin D is for strong bones and teeth. Vitamin E keeps my cells damage-free. Vitamin K so my cut won't bleed all day.
And now let's talk about dried food. Do you like eating dates fresh or dried? But what's the meaning of dried? Let's see. Dried food is a fresh food that we put in the sun to take water out of it. But the sun leaves the important nutrients we need inside it. So we can eat dried food as a healthy snack. Again, dried food is a fresh food that we put it in the sun to take water out of it. But the sun leaves the important nutrients we need inside it. Okay, so after taking water from it, we can find the important nutrients inside it. Okay, so it's fresh dates and it's a dried date. After taking the water from it, it still contains the important nutrients. Okay, so we can eat dried food as a healthy snack. So here you can find fresh dates and we put it in the sun and sun can take the water out of it, the nutrients inside it. Okay, so now we can convert fresh into dried food, but still contains the nutrients or the important nutrients inside it, so we can eat it as a healthy snack. Also, we can eat apricot fresh or dried. So we can eat it as fresh fruits, and also we can eat dried apricot as a healthy snack. Did you know that raisins come from grapes? Yes. When we dry grapes for a long time in the sun and the water comes out from grapes, it will turn into or convert into raisins. Okay? So also raisins is a healthy snack and is a dried food. And grapes is a fresh fruits. Also, there are many dried food that we can take it as a healthy snack that also keep our body healthy because it still contains the nutrients or the important nutrients that keep our body healthy. So when you feel hungry, instead of eating chips, chocolate, or candy, you can eat dried food as a healthy snack that keep your body healthy. Okay? So dried food is a fresh food that we put it in the sun to take water out and still contain the important nutrients inside it. Okay? And we can eat them as a healthy snack instead of chips, chocolate, or candy. And now, how we can keep our food cold at home? Easily we can use refrigerator, right? So because we have electricity, we can or we can use refrigerator to keep our food cold, right? But what if we don't have electricity? So we cannot use a refrigerator or freezer, right? So there are many countries that don't have electricity and they will use something to keep the food cold. It's known as their pots. So here it's their pots and they use it to keep the food cold instead of refrigerator because they don't have electricity, so we can use their pots to keep the food cold. So again, their pot is like a simple refrigerator that keeps the food cold because we don't have electricity. So thank you for watching and goodbye.